Hi guys, welcome to Quick Tips. This is Z and today I'll give you my in-depth review of Xiaomi Poco F1. The phone has made headlines since its launch last week and today we will unravel whether it lives up to the expectation or not. We will analyze the specification of this phone. So let us begin with the specification. So what do you get in Poco F1? I'll just go to the setting and show you what do we get in the phone. So here you can see the specification. The Poco F1 sports Qualcomm flagship Snapdragon 845 processor and an octa-core CPU with maximum clock speed of 2.8 GHz, which is supported by 6 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM. We have three variants. I'll let you know. It is coupled with liquid cool technology that allows the device to sustain peak performance for longer period of time on the back. So it remain cool for longer period of time, even if you play games as well. On the back it features a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual AI camera setup. On the front it sports 20 megapixel high resolution camera with IR face unlock as well. Alright, so that's the specification we have. Along with that we have a huge battery of 4000 mAh and a quick charge 3. So I used this phone for last 24 hours and here are the pros and cons that I felt about this phone. So let's get started with the pros. Snapdragon 845 processor is the biggest selling point of this phone. It is the same processor which is being used in OnePlus 6 that you won't find in any lagging or while multitasking. So if you are using this phone there won't be any lagging. I tried playing some high resolution games and had no problem whatsoever. Secondly, with the technology of liquid cooling system in the phone, it does not get heated while playing games for long or while charging too. Next thing I would like to mention is the infrared blaster for face unlock. You won't believe I was able to unlock this phone with the face unlock and it worked perfectly fine in pitch darkness as well. Now I thought of Xiaomi may do some cost cutting in cameras, but to my surprise the front 20 megapixel camera is as par with other flagship phones. Last but not the least, I want to mention the 4000 mAh battery of this phone lasted almost 30 hours. That's quite good for Snapdragon 845 phone and has also a quick charge 3. The base variant was available at 21K, so there is basically no competition when it comes to value for cost. This phone is 6 GB RAM with 128 GB internal and it cost me 23K. I got an extra 1000 discount with HDFC card. Now talking about the cons which I felt about this phone, this Poco F1 does not support HD video streaming on Netflix or Amazon Prime. So let me just show you that. Okay, so if we go to Prime Video and play any video, it won't support high quality. It supports up to 580p only, so that is the problem. Hopefully Xiaomi will provide some updates soon about it. So we have let Xiaomi know about it and hopefully we'll hear back as well, so we'll let you know whether we will have a fix for this or not. Secondly, the notch at the top, if you can see the notch, it's quite big in comparison to other flagship phone. Largely it is due to the infrared blaster that they have used. So the notch is quite big, so they could have made slightly smaller, and I also felt the body could have been slightly better. If it won't give you the feeling like holding of a premium phone, as they have used the polycarbonate back. Even the higher version has the Kevlar, but it does not feel premium. Lastly, I would like to mention the rear camera, the back camera I'm talking about. In low light, it does not give that good a image as close to OnePlus 6 in low light. In while sufficient light, it works perfect. So if I were to rate this phone, I would give a 4.5 out of 5, largely due to the cost and specification of this phone. So Xiaomi with Poco F1 has hit the ball out of the parks, and it will be hard for its competitor to match the cost. So guys, that's all we have here for you today. If you liked our video, do hit the like button. Also share with your friends and who are planning to buy this phone. Do not forget to comment your experience with Poco F1. Thanks for watching our video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.